Okay guys, so I'm going to be making another prediction for Bitcoin. This time is going to be covering the entire month of June. You already saw my previous prediction for May. It was an extremely accurate prediction. This will not be an exception. This will also be very accurate. I do have some things to say to you guys before I begin, and that is that I expect June to be a very interesting month, in the sense that it's going to be probably going to be very disputed between an uptrend or a downtrend for the general month. I think it will be a downtrend, but there will be some days, some weeks where we will have some good potential for profits, some good opportunities for taking some money, and as well there will also be good entries, good opportunities to make some positions. Okay guys, so as always I will be beginning and detailing each and every circle from the first to the last. Remember that these predictions are always updated in real time. I will be making updates as this goes by. Each and every single week that passes, I will be making some updates to see how we are doing. Okay, so the first weeks are going to be very interesting, like I said in the beginning. The first circle, we have a red circle, 4 or 5 of June. We're expecting a downtrend. But tomorrow, because today, the day of the recording of this video is June 3. So tomorrow on the 4th, we're going to see a very volatile day, or could be a very lazy day. Either way is going to be the case. We have a yellow and a red circle on June 4th. Now the second one. All these three circles are yellow, consecutive circles. This means that they could go either way. There could be some days that go green, some days will go red, some days will stay neutral, some days will go in range. This is a very interesting week. Like I said, this is a perfect scenario for people that like to do scalping, not so much for people that do like to make some day trading. I prefer when there's clear and concise green or red circles, so I can know what's exactly going to happen. Yellow circles means the days this week will be very undecided, so be aware of that. Now the next circle is a green circle, 10 or 11 of June. We're going to see an uptrend, but like I said, this month is going to be a very hard month in that sense. We're not going to see a lot of greens, because the next circles are again two consecutive red circles, 12 or 13 and 14 or 15 of June. These days will be days where the price just goes down. I mean, it will go down, it will dip, it will dump all the way down. And these represent good opportunities for making some positions, but not for making some profits, obviously. Unless, of course, you are one of those persons that buys high and sells low. In that case, that's perfect for you. Now, the next circle, we have a yellow one, 16 or 17 of June. That means there will be a lot of volatility or range. This paves the way for the next circle, which is a green circle, 17 or 18. There will be an uptrend by these days. Notice, however, that June 18 will be a day with some volatility, because it also overlaps with this circle. I mean, all of the days that overlap, pay attention to those days, because they will be very volatile, or there could be some ranges, meaning that the day opens the first hours in some very neutral, almost non-existent levels. But we could see the trends, either up or down trends, consolidate as the days progresses, as the hours passes by. So be aware of that. Now, June 20 will be an uptrend, followed by another correction by June 21 or 22. Then again another uptrend by June 23, and another correction by June 25 or 26. And again, 26 overlaps with this green circle. 26 or 27, we're going to see an uptrend. and finally another correction by June 28 or 29. And so notice also the last day, June 29, will be a very special day, because I also predict that June 29 could be an uptrend. So we could kind of end the month on a slightly better tone than we started with, but take notice that it's also part of this red circle. So that's why there's another yellow circle overlapping also the green circle that is also overlapping June 29. Pay attention to this day. This day might prove critical. This day might prove a decisive factor depending on how the price behaves in these previous green circles. So again, that's all I have for you today. Like I said in the beginning, I expect June to be a general downtrend month for Bitcoin. It's going to be very volatile. It's going to be very rangish. Lots of days will not pan out, in the sense that they will stay in range. The price will do nothing on some days, but some other days will be very volatile. We could see high amount of gains followed by extreme losses. We could see the price go above 72k. I'm predicting something like that. I really don't care much about the price. I only care about the general trends for the day, so I can make good scalping or good day trading sessions. That's all I care about. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you for today. This is, I think, the only prediction that I will be making this month for crypto, unless you have more suggestions in the comments, because there's been some developments, very interesting developments on the crypto scene that I think that need to be covered. So we'll be making some videos about some tokens and some news that I find interesting and no one is talking about. So we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.